Now we're at McDonald's. They're in the park. Ooh, it was hot. We're trying to get maybe an ice cream or my flurry, whatever. But yeah, pero no sé si ellos tienen. They don't have no drinks in the. Tienen más flurries o mantecado. ¿Cuánto están los más flurries?
5.89.
Que tú quieres un mantecado nada más. Si quieres el de cone.
I'll pay it to you.
Por eso un mantecado nada más. Not a más flurry though. Right?
So, what you want? I'll pay it.
Eso, yeah. Just get a McFlurry with no. Butterfinger, ¿tienen de Butterfinger? ¿Qué tienen? Pues M&M. That's fine.
Dame uno a mí de...
Bless you.
De Oreo, gracias. No.
Uy.
Es más, sí, dame una soda chiquita también.
That's how we came to get like an ice cream or something because it's hot. Hot. Right, babe?
Yeah.
It's super hot.
Me gusta tu pantalla, ¿viste?
La compré en high school.
Ajá.
Oh, the jewelry?
¿En cuánto te costó?
Hay 300.
Damn.
Yo tengo las que están llenas, pero como son pesadas, me bajan el oído.
Oh, yeah, I have. Está igual que las mujeres cuando las pantallas son pesadas, she's like, yeah. But yeah, we just came to get like little ice cream because we were in the park and yeah. Ay, María, déjate el vaso. We were at the park and then we came to McDonald's to get that little ice cream. Dile, babe.
Exactly. You know, guys, out here McDonald's, you know. Hey, with my baby, my sexy mama, you know, my diva, you know, my
Yeah,
Barbie
we
doll,
waiting.
you know,
Let me.
the love of my life, you know. So,
It's fucking hot outside. I'm telling you, hot. Extreme. Look at guys. Need one. We could eat it here. M&M. Ay, ve para que cojas el drink. Yeah, we're gonna eat it here.
You want some soup? I cook that Coca-Cola.
Yeah. That's a big one. No, yo creo que es el mediano. Oh. I'm telling you. Yeah, because outside this shit will get melt like very fast. Because you know how hot it is. Yeah, so drink too. Oh shit, lo llenaste mucho. What is that, Pepsi?
Coca-Cola.
Después Coca-Cola. ¿Ah? ¿Ah? Yeah. Right here. Dice cold. There's nowhere to put it. I didn't come with the stand. Yeah, we're gonna close it right here.
Yeah, guys.
That's my flirty kiss.
Oreo.
Period.
Yo, bare man in no hood wanna rap about drill, but they ain't on shit, cause they probably get killed. I don't know about you, but I know that I'm real. Talk on my name, watch something get spilled. Back then, I stepped with a stainless still. I got my man's blood on my trainers still. Say that I'm nuts and they say I'm ill. Bipolar, but I don't take my pills.